All right, let's dive right in. Today we're talking about something that is, frankly, a complete game changer. How anyone can build and sell incredibly powerful AI agents. Agents that can do complex work for you, all without touching a single line of code.
So, let's start with this quote from the source material because it really sets the stakes. The message here is so clear. Getting on board with AI isn't just a neat little career boost anymore. Nope, it's about survival, whether you've got a 9 to 5 or you're out there freelancing.
And you can feel that urgency everywhere. I mean, huge companies are throwing billions, literally billions of dollars at this. The window to get ahead of this wave is right now, but it is closing fast. The demand for people who can do this stuff is absolutely skyrocketing. But the number of people who actually can, it's still tiny.
Okay, so I know what you might be thinking. You hear AI agents and it kind of sounds like a buzzy new name for the same old automation we've had for years, right? It's a fair question and there's a ton of confusion out there. So let's clear it up right now.
So what is the real difference? Understanding this is everything. It's what separates a basic, dumb tool from a smart assistant that can actually think.
Take a look at this. A standard automation is rigid. A trigger happens, it follows a simple, pre-programmed path. If A, then B. End of story. But see that little block in the middle on the right, the AI action? That's the brain. That's the secret sauce. It lets the system actually analyze, adapt, and make smart decisions on the fly.
Here's a great way to think about it. Old school automation is like a factory that just shoves every single order, whether it's for shoes or shirts, into one big pile for one department to sort out. It's dumb. But an AI agent, it reads the order. It understands the context. It goes, this is a shoe order, it goes to the shoe department. That's a shirt order, over to the shirt department. That moment of understanding, that is the AI action.
So, the big question is, how do you build this brain if you're not a programmer? Well, that's the beautiful part. You don't have to be. You just need the right tools. So let's open up the no-code toolbox we're going to use to build these things. The platform we're focusing on is called NN. Now think of this thing as a digital workbench. It's got this super intuitive visual interface that lets you connect all your different apps and services together just by dragging and dropping these little blocks called nodes. It's like building with digital Legos.
And these are your 5 main Lego bricks. You've got your trigger, which is what kicks the whole process off. You've got an action, the specific thing you want it to do. Utility nodes add some logic, like if this, then that. There's even a code node for you advanced folks. But the real magic, the one we care about most, is that agent node. That's the brain.
All right, enough with the theory. Let's see how you can actually snap these pieces together to build something really, truly useful. We're going to walk through a perfect real-world example from the source material.
We're going to design a smart email responder. And what this little agent will do is watch your inbox, read new emails as they come in, figure out what they're about, write a perfectly crafted, personalized reply, and then just pop it in your drafts folder for a quick once-over from you.
So, here's the play-by-play. Step 1. A new email hits your Gmail. That's the trigger. Step 2. A special classifier node reads it and decides, okay, is this person placing an order or just asking a question? Step 3. Based on that category, the AI action, powered by something like OpenAI, writes a unique, custom reply. And finally, step 4, it saves that reply in your Gmail drafts. 4 simple steps that could literally save you hours every single day.
And here's the part you really need to get. This isn't just about being a little faster. This is about completely replacing a human-level task. You've essentially created a digital employee that handles your inbox for you, and that is something people will pay a lot of money for.
Which brings us to the biggest takeaway here. Being able to build these little digital employees, it's not just a cool productivity hack. It's the cornerstone of a brand new business model. It's a new economy for freelancers and entrepreneurs.
And just look at what's possible. It's not just emails. You can build automated inventory systems for e-commerce stores, smart agents that find sales leads on LinkedIn, AI-powered bots that make customer service calls, website monitors. Seriously, the list just goes on and on. Every single business out there has a problem you can solve with one of these agents.
And the money? It's staggering. The source is very clear. People are already making millions of dollars doing this. Why? It's simple supply and demand. You have a market with huge, desperate demand for these solutions, and right now, almost no one who knows how to supply them.
So, as we wrap this up, I'll leave you with this one thought. The future of just about every industry is being automated, piece by piece, right before our eyes. There's no stopping it. The only question left is, are you going to be the one watching it happen from the sidelines, or are you going to be the one building it?